What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to continue with the renovation of the garage. And as you guys saw, we had to run to the store and get some painting supplies. I have no painting supplies at all, so the first store I went to didn't have a high gloss. I kind of want a high gloss in the garage, especially while working out here, to help reflect the light and easy to clean. So the second place we went to, we got this high gloss. I might use this as a base and then do the high gloss over the top of it. We got some rollers for the edge and then two big pans with bigger rollers. And I think we're going to start with the ceiling since it's the biggest square footage to paint, and then we'll move to the walls. Definitely going to be a Whoa, the lighting. It's going to be definitely going to be like a 2 or 3 days to do this. Might have to get some more paint, and then we're going to do a two-tone on the bottom. So stick to the end to see what colors we go with. And set you guys up and we'll get going. Alright guys, so it's the next day after started painting the ceiling. We got half of it done, as you guys just saw, and so it's all dried up now, and you can kind of see like the tape lines are coming through the paint, and I think it's just because of the its first coat. So I'm hoping the second coat will kind of make that disappear a little better. If not, I guess it's alright, it's just the garage. And we just have like a little bit of paint left in our first can here. So we'll take that and try to paint this half over here. It's going to be a little bit of a pain. Hoping we don't have to move this whole pile to paint that part of the ceiling, that we can just use the broom handle that I broke, and hopefully we can get that part from there. And instead of having you guys sit through a bunch of painting, I'll just check back in with you once we get the final coat on the entire ceiling. So we'll see you then. Alright guys, well, we got the second coat done on the ceiling and it looks much better. You can still see some of the tape lines, but it's way better than it was. Show you guys here. I'm probably gonna pick it up a little bit, but overall it's pretty good. There's just one spot that right up here, for some reason when I was rolling, the mud was starting to crack and fall out. I don't know if it really picks it up, but there you go. I think you can see it there. So that's the only really like bad part that I might go ahead and touch up here afterwards. But so that was 2.5 gallons of paint. We went back over it with the high gloss, which I actually am really liking. And then I went back to the store to get 5 gallons for the walls in here. And apparently they don't sell high gloss in 5-gallon increment. Well, like a big 5-gallon here. So we're just gonna do semi-gloss pure white on the walls. And then here's the two-tone. We got a black and some gray. Alright guys, so I'll set you guys up, do a little bit of a time lapse, probably go through, do all the edges. We'll do all the edges on the walls, and then we'll start rolling everything. And won't make you guys sit through everything, but we'll speed through it here, and then I'll catch back up with you guys here when we're done. So as you saw, we just got done taping, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a little tip that I came across. I know not every garage is the same, but when I was measuring, so I measured and put little marks on the wall, and it's probably best we figured out at the end that the more marks you have and not trying to span a long gap, the better. But also when measuring, you can definitely see on my floor here that it is sloped for drainage. I'm sure most garages are kind of like that. So I measured from the top of the footer. Just a little tip for you guys. So go ahead and throw on the first coat. It's looking pretty good. And see how it looks. It's gonna look pretty good. What's up guys? So as you just saw, we did the first coat of black. You can see back here, and it's coming together. It's looking freaking awesome. I'm loving this. So I'll give you a quick peek here, and then I've got to do one more coat, and then we'll I'll show you guys I'll just peel everything, all the tape off, and it should be it. So let's take a look. That is looking killer. I'm loving this. Kind of see, I don't know if it'll show up on here, but there's some white showing through. You can see a brush stroke there. So this might take another coat or two. I'm gonna put you guys through that. Yeah, you can kind of see there. So I'll just meet back up with you guys when we peel everything off and reveal the lines. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on this video on part 2 of the garage renovation or 2020 Dream Garage. All I ended up doing, caulked around the windows as you saw, and then I put the blinds back in, and I went through and, don't even think you can see it, change out the outlets. There we go, focused. So black on black, it kind of hides them. As you can see, it's pretty cool. And then, so I gotta do this one, but as you can see, this paint was all messed up, so I cut it out, and I'll touch that up. I don't want to make you guys wait. Seen enough of that. And then these two plugs, these two are white just because they're GFIs, and I was a bit of a cheap and didn't want to spend 20 bucks, well, $20 for two. So as I was saying, I didn't want to spend 40 bucks for two GFIs right now. I will update those at some other point. But yeah, that's why those two are white if you see them. But I think it's pretty sweet. Having them black in there like that. I'll probably give you in the final video update so you see that. And one last look here. So I appreciate it if you guys stuck through the whole thing. Part 3 will be coming up. I'm actually going to start on that in the morning. So I can get that out. I don't know how much of that's going to be like the shelving and workbench and everything that we're doing. So stay tuned for that. It'll be up soon. If you guys could give it a thumbs up and subscribe, we got more videos coming. I appreciate it, and until next time, enjoy the ride.